Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to create a classified website without using any programming or coding knowledge. I hope you have an idea about classified websites. Craigslist, OLX, Backpage, Gumtree, they all are classified websites. What is classified websites do actually? A classified website is a place where people can buy and sell products and services directly. And if they can buy and sell products directly without involving you, how you can earn through it? Mainly you can earn through programs like AdSense. You can link AdSense to your classified website, and you can charge from advertisers to promote their content. You can see in this picture there are few featured advertisers. So you can charge from advertisers to highlight their advertisements. That both ways you can earn. You also may have a dream to be an owner of a huge classified website. I'll show you how to create your own classified website. The first thing is you have to choose a domain name. The domain name should be a short and sweet one. A meaningful short word more possible. First of all, you should buy a domain and hosting from a service provider who is in cPanel partner directory. cPanel is a very important program in this case. If you have any doubt about it, please log into partner noc.cpanel.net. I'll give you that link in with my description. You can easily find it. So log into that site and website, and you can see there's a map. Okay, you can zoom and go to your location. So with this CP logo, you can easily find through this logo your cPanel hosting provider. Okay, that web hosting provider who can gives you cPanel facility. So click on it and go to their web page, and you can search your domain here. If it is available, you can within few clicks you can buy it, and they will give you all the login details, cPanel login details, and all the things to you. After getting all the information from my hosting provider, I can log into my client area or cPanel. I'll directly go to cPanel through my client area. Click on login to cPanel. In the cPanel, you can see there are a lot of programs and services under different criteria. Don't be confused. Okay, simply type in the search bar soft. Softacles is our app installer. This is Softacles is huge web app store that can help you to install many applications to your website. Okay, let's go to Softacles. As I told you, Softacles is a huge web app store. In the left side search bar, please type OS class and search it. OS class, yes. OS class is the main script we are using to create our classified site. Okay, click on the install now button. If you are using this classified site as the main site and its home page as your home page, don't type anything in the directory field here. Don't type anything in this field. Okay, if you are using this site OS class as your main site. Okay, so anyway, I'm using this as a testing site. Because of it, I'll give test as my directory. It will that it will install in that test directory. Okay, and also you can give a site name and everything you can change. So not only that, admin username, I'll change it as admin. Admin password also you can change. Okay, site name, username, password, everything you can change. If you change the password, please give simple capital letters, numbers and symbols to it. Okay, after that all things we can click on install. And if I think this video is important to you, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned with us by click on the bell button. Actually, uh, from this video I can teach you how to install this program and how it can be, how its appearance, and few things I can teach you. But that development site, you may need to customize this site. Okay, this site, and also you need to add more features to this site. That everything I'll teach you step by step. Okay, from my next video you can see how to configure this site, how to add header, how to change footers, how to change copyright things, and how to add fields, how to add currencies. A lot of things I'll teach you. Okay, not only that, some easy coding things also I'll teach you. Main thing is, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with us by click on that bell button. Okay, now installation, we have to wait till the installation complete. Okay, it's completed. So you have two URLs. One is directly to site, second URL is to admin panel. Okay, let's go to site and see how it's appears. You can see it. Wow, it's a classified site, as you have seen it. Craigslist and all the sites. This is a complete classified site. Okay, you can see here site name, search bar, category menu, and if someone needed to publish their advertisement, there's a button to publish ads. It's also very completed, informative. Not only that, there are a lot of things available with this script. They have posted an example ad also. You can see. So, but the thing is, the cPanel and all these programs are very common and a lot of people using these scripts. Okay, so you may need to customize this. This is a beginning. Okay, now we already installed and stored our classified site. Okay, but the thing is that customization bit advanced, but I'll teach you few easy methods and applications to develop this site. First of all, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with us by click on the bell button, and I'll show you how to change header, how to add more categories and remove unnecessary categories, and all the things I'll teach you. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.